Hey everyone! Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your trusted source for honest car accessory reviews and buying guides. If you drive a Toyota Sienna and you're ready to take your minivan's capability to the next level, whether it's towing a camper, hauling bikes, or carrying extra gear, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best trailer hitches for Toyota Sienna, comparing their build quality, towing capacity, installation ease, and real-world user feedback. Stay tuned till the end because I'll share my top recommended hitch and a few smart buying tips to help you choose the perfect one for your setup. Number 5. Budget-friendly Class 3 hitch. If you're looking for a reliable towing solution without spending a fortune, the 74224461799103 Class 3 trailer hitch is an excellent budget-friendly choice. Designed to fit Toyota Sienna models from 2004 to 2020, this hitch offers solid performance for everyday towing, cargo carriers, or bike racks. With a 2-inch receiver and standard Class 3 strength, it can handle up to 3,500 pounds GTW and 350 pounds TW, perfect for light to medium-duty use. Despite its lower price, it doesn't compromise on quality. The black powder-coated steel resists rust and corrosion effectively, and the simple bolt-on installation process makes it accessible even for DIY users. Owners mention that the fit is impressively snug for such a universal model, and the hardware kit provided is complete and easy to use. While it may lack the refined design of higher-end brands, this hitch delivers reliable performance for weekend adventures and utility hauling. It's the ideal pick for budget-conscious Sienna owners seeking practicality and durability in one package. Number 4. CURT Heavy-Duty Hitch with Refined Finish. The CURT 13470 Class 3 trailer hitch stands out as one of the most robust and stylish towing solutions for the Toyota Sienna. Engineered with precision welding and robotic construction, this hitch delivers a high level of durability and a professional-grade finish. It's rated for 4,500 pounds GTW and 675 pounds TW, making it a dependable choice for hauling boats, cargo carriers, or medium trailers. What separates the CURT 13470 from other models is its refined aesthetic design. The hitch's main body tucks neatly under the bumper, offering a clean and almost hidden look. Installation is quick, thanks to pre-drilled mounting holes that align perfectly with factory points, no frame modifications needed. Users love its solid feel and smooth towing experience, especially those using it for long highway trips. Many reviewers also highlighted how well the powder-coated finish holds up against scratches, corrosion, and road grime, even after multiple winters. Overall, this hitch balances power, protection, and sleek design in one package. Number 3. CURT Durable Class 3 Hitch. The CURT 13511 Class 3 trailer hitch is one of the most dependable options for Toyota Sienna owners who tow year-round. Known for its versatile design and solid build, it fits select Sienna models perfectly and supports up to 4,000 pounds GTW and 400 pounds TW, making it ideal for small trailers, utility loads, or cargo carriers. CURT's advanced dual-coat finish, a liquid A-coat base and high-gloss black powder topcoat, ensures long-term protection against rust, salt, and weather damage. The 2-inch receiver tube is compatible with standard hitch accessories, allowing you to switch easily between towing and bike hauling setups. Installation is beginner-friendly, often taking less than an hour with basic tools. The hitch mounts cleanly to factory holes without welding or drilling. Owners appreciate its perfect fit alignment and how sturdy it feels when fully loaded. Even after years of exposure, many reviewers note minimal corrosion and no signs of structural weakness. Number 2. CURT Reliable Class 3 Hitch. The CURT 13105 Class 3 trailer hitch is an excellent mid-range option for Toyota Sienna owners who want both functionality and a bit of style. Designed with an exposed main body, it delivers a rugged appearance while providing a reliable towing capacity of 3,500 pounds GTW and 350 pounds TW. Compatible with a wide range of Sienna models, it's ideal for towing small campers, bike racks, or lightweight trailers. Built from high-strength steel and coated with CURT's signature liquid A-coat and powder coat finish, this hitch is engineered to resist rust, UV rays, and road debris. Installation is straightforward, with precision welds and factory-style attachment points, no need for modifications or drilling. Users praise its tight, secure fit and mention that it holds up remarkably well even after years of use. Many Amazon reviewers highlighted how seamlessly it works with popular accessories like Thule and Yakima racks, making it a versatile choice for adventure-loving families. Number 1. Draw-Tite Heavy Duty Class 3 Hitch. The Draw-Tite 76112 Class 3 trailer hitch is a premium option designed for serious towing needs. Built with solid steel construction and a black powder coat finish, it offers exceptional resistance to corrosion and wear. Compatible with 2011 to 2020 Toyota Sienna models, this hitch delivers up to 4,500 pounds gross trailer weight (GTW) and 675 pounds tongue weight (TW), perfect for small campers, boats, or utility trailers. What users love most is its OEM fit design. No drilling is required, and it fits perfectly under the bumper without compromising ground clearance. Many buyers noted how easy it was to install using basic tools, taking under an hour. The welded seams and precision engineering give you confidence that this hitch can handle long-haul towing effortlessly. So there you have it, the 5 best trailer hitches for the Toyota Sienna that combine strength, safety, and long-term reliability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Automotive Widgets, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest automotive gear reviews and installation tips. All the product links are in the description below. Check them out for the latest prices and deals on Amazon. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.